The best way to boost the hair growth property of coconut oil is to pair it with another oil. And tea tree oil is perfect for this job. When mixed with coconut oil, tea tree oil nourishes your hair right at the roots and unclogs your hair follicles to speed up your hair growth. How can I mix tea tree oil with coconut oil for hair growth? Take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 10 drops tea tree oil in a glass bowl and heat in the microwave for a few seconds. Next, apply this warm oil all over your hair and massage it onto your scalp for 10 minutes. Now, soak your towel with some hot water, wring it, and wrap it around your head. Leave the oil on for 20 minutes, and then rinse it out with shampoo and conditioner. For best results, follow this routine thrice a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.